So why is the market dropping so hard? Let's go ahead and quickly talk about it. This is like I wish it didn't play out this way because I feel like this really frustrates a lot of beginner traders because it literally just doesn't make sense, right? If you think about it, the CPI data report came out today and it came out better than what was expected. It came in at 3% versus the expectation of 3.1%. Okay, so if inflation is actually lower than what we expected, and this was the first decrease that we've seen in the past 12 months, really more than just past 12 months. Nonetheless, we beat market's expectation, yet we see investors are rotating out, and that doesn't really make sense to the beginner trader, but we're seeing a lot of selling pressure. And this didn't surprise me, right? For those that tuned on into my live session today, we gapped up, we began to consolidate and lack progress of higher highs, but this CPI data report was really good. But the thing is that, right, you've heard this saying before, it says, buy the rumors, sell the news. I feel like this is a great example of this. Yesterday, no one was asking the question of, hey, why is the market going up so much, right? Why are we forming higher highs and higher lows? Nothing was released yesterday, yet the market was factoring in a better than expected CPI data report. So therefore, once the report actually came out, this is when investors, big investors, begin to take profits. And then again, according to, CNBC's, big investors are rotating out of big tech. Market's extremely overbought. We were at all-time highs. So you can't be surprised that at those extreme overbought levels, people begin to take profits. It just sucks. Trust me. I mean, I love that the market is dropping so hard. I want it to crash. I want it to pull on back because not only because I'm shorting the crap out of it right now, but because I want to buy good deals, and markets are so overextended that there is no good deal right now with Nvidia, with Tesla, with none of those. They're all extremely overbought, but I just hate the way that the market does it because I know a lot of beginner traders got burned because they're like, okay, CPI data report is good. Market goes up. I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy into that or buy more. But guess what? Then the market sells off. And then you're like, oh man, market's rigged. What's going on? But it's because the market often factors things in advance. And that's one thing that you want to understand before continuing to trade in this market is that a lot of things are often factored in before they actually happen. And then if they don't come in as expected, then you see even more of a dramatic sell-off. That is why sometimes when things come in as expected, we still see either consolidation or actual sell-offs. And it's because things were already factored in. If it wasn't factored in, and then again, it acts as a positive catalyst, it gets factored in right away. This is super, super frustrating. And I just wish, trust me, I'm happy that the market is selling off because my LPP team, we're making money as this market is dropping. We were preparing for this, but it sucks for beginners that had no guidance, right? It sucks for beginners that were not aware that market can quickly change on you because, again, they buy the rumors and sell the news, that things actually get factored in before they actually happen. So I just wanted to make this video. I wanted to make you aware. Yes, market is selling off. Yes, this news was pretty much factored in yesterday. The CPI data report is good. It's just unfortunate with the timing. And I'm not here to sugarcoat it. I wish it wasn't like this for every beginner. I wish it made sense that, hey, the CPI data report comes in better than expected. Then that's when the market should have risen, not yesterday. I wish rather the markets were trading sideways yesterday because we were all waiting for today's CPI data report. But no. Again, big investors like to get ahead of themselves. They like to make predictions, assumptions. They buy the rumor, sell the news, and then the dump happens. You can't be surprised on this dump, right? Because market was at all-time highs, but it's just unfortunate in the way that it actually played out. So wanted to make sure that you guys were aware. Again, we're having a lot of fun shorting this during our live trading session with the LPP team. And again, I trade live every single morning. You don't have to join, but if you're an absolute beginner and you feel lost in this market full of chaos, I would love for you to work with us on a closer basis. I trade live every morning for about 30 minutes to an hour. You get to see all of my good trades, all of my bad trades, and you get access to our A to Z video lesson library. If you follow me on Instagram, you've been seeing that we've been working on LPP 3.0. And if you sign up for 2.0, you actually get grandfathered in to 3.0. And again, it's before the prices actually go up. Right now, we're running a huge sale for LPP 2.0. It's 50% off. It's our biggest discount. And trust me, prices will double from what we are currently offering, especially if you want access to those live trading sessions. Second link in the description down below. Don't forget to check it out. And also, we have a bunch of great new designs at shoptechbuds.com. 5 t-shirts for $50, and all you have to do is select your size. We already sold out of the extra large, and we have a bunch of new wall art collection that's brushed aluminum art from the Lamborghini Silent Moves Loud Results, the Lamborghini Aventador where it says patience is power, and I think we have a total of 80 designs. A bunch of sales going on. You can do buy one, get one 50% off. Just use promo code TAKE2. Again, this is all available at shoptechbuds.com or the second link in the description. I'm sorry, the fourth link in the description down below. I appreciate your time. Hope that we're in the thumbs up. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.